Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Misfit Jolly Rancher cocktail. So what I'm going to be using in this drink today: strawberry Smirnoff, Cruzan peach rum, blue curaçao, melon liqueur, the strawberry puckers, a little bit of sweet and sour mix, a little Sprite, and of course the Misfit Jolly Ranchers. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in some of my strawberry puckers. Let me get my ice in there. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my strawberry Smirnoff. I'm also going to go ahead and pour my peach rum. I'm going to pour in a little bit of my sweet and sour mix. I'm going to go in with my melon liqueur. Gonna pour in my Sprite. And then my blue curaçao. And to the top of that, I'm just gonna add my candy. And it's really good once that candy's soaked in there. And there you have it, guys. My Misfit Jolly Rancher cocktail. So one thing I do want to know from anybody that knows how to layer drinks, I'm not the best at it, but if anybody can give me some advice or tips in the comments below, I would love to hear from you all. But hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.